Okay, the angle when you're on the beanbag, you want to be in her face. So wherever her face is, you are. So I'm right here in that face, leaning to the light. Shh. So leaning to the light, I'll do angle, straight, and then I'll do over. And when I'm going over, I'm going down her face, and then I'll do her whole body. Go back on single image. And then I'm done. So I'm going to go to chin on hands. And when I do chin on hands, I'm going to go this way. I'm going to move that poser underneath her head. Get the weighted blanket. And when I transition her, I just keep her on the side. I don't know if she'll do it, but we'll try. Might need her pacifier though. When you're doing chin on hands, a lot of people make the mistake of shooting too high on the head or too much under the nose. You don't want to be shooting the nostrils and you don't want to be shooting the forehead. One of the things I try to say to people is photograph a baby like you're looking at them. So the idea was when you hang the image back on the wall, their face is looking back to you. With chin on hands, you just want those hands directly under the chin. She's in the middle of the poser and she's elbow to elbow again. You need a nice firm poser, but also you need a good dip. There's a good 2 to 3 inches back here. And if you find they're leaning forward too much, push down so they're gently resting. From a safety perspective, 2 fingers underneath her chin to make sure that she's breathing. If you find her snoring in any way or making noises, you need to adjust it because her airways may not be clear.